Okay, come closer. We got our Addiesdive submariner that is on review after 3 months. How it is? So this, check it out, this baby. Look, so beautiful it is. Got the crown. The crown has its logo. Okay, and smooth belt opening. Got this also. Got its logo, Addiesdive logo on his back cover. And currently I'm wearing a Seiko vintage 30 jewel, so I'll be getting this off and wearing. Okay, so Seiko has one trick in it, that this dial comes out of its frame. So it's one of the unique sea lion over here, and we'll just put it back and click, it's set. So that's why it's a really good vintage. So I'll just wear this submariner. Oh, smooth. And here, look at that. Oh. See the seconds, the window frame of the date. It's really beautiful, really nice, classic. Slimness, how slim it is. Yeah, that's it. That's it. Wait, come close by. Glow in the dark. Okay. Off it.